In Tennessee, the numbers of people infected with a rare fungal meningitis has risen to nearly 30 cases, according to officials. Spreading across 7 states, there are nearly 50 victims, and a total of 5 people have died from receiving injections in the back from a common but contaminated steroid.
She grabbed her head and started vomiting and then became unresponsive. He immediately, all the doctors were there, and he said to me, I think maybe there was some fungus there.
TRACY BARREIRO gathered with her father, sister, and brother to talk about her mother, Janet Russell, who received injections over a month ago. Since then, she has been held up in intensive care at St. Thomas Hospital in Nashville. That's the same hospital that received 2,000 single-dose vials of the contaminated steroid from the product maker New England Compounding Center in Massachusetts.
And so she has some blood on the brain and the back, so they're watching that. So
she has headaches, and she cannot eat. She cannot even take a sip of water and hold it down to take her medication orally, the medication she does have orally. And she has been sick for a very long time now.
Nearly 18,000 single-dose vials were shipped out to clinics across 24 states. The Center for Disease and Control says there are likely more cases of the rare fungal meningitis to arise.
CDC is working with state and local health departments to contact patients who may have received injections at the facilities who received the recalled lots of this medication, to inform that they may have been exposed, to find out if they're having symptoms, and to instruct them to seek health care should they be ill.
Also, investigators in Tennessee, where the majority of the stricken reside, say there has been no evidence that the clinics or clinicians did anything to cause the outbreak. The evidence points directly to a product issue. For the Russell family, their matriarch's condition is concern number 1, but their thoughts are with the dozens of victims and families.
I mean, you have to feel sympathy for everybody that's going through the same thing. It's just hard to see your mother.
The Russell family and their doctors are hoping for a full recovery, a slow but successful one, they hope. The New England Compounding Center, the product maker of the contaminated medicine, put out a statement saying that despite FDA warning, there is no indication that any of their other products have issues. They also added that their thoughts and prayers are with their employees and the victims of this terrible meningitis outbreak. Robert Ray, Associated Press, Nashville, Tennessee.